this is on 5 now, so let's see. It's some smooth road. This thing definitely kicks. Oh yeah. This is definitely faster, much faster. Wow. Oh yeah, definitely. Super fast. This kicks the Yolan's ass. I'm sorry to say, but the Yolan can't compete with this one. It doesn't have the harsh tug. It's a smoother tug than my Yolan. Even on dual motor. I guess it's a speed control. Wow, this thing is really fast.
Oh yeah.
I like this thing. Damn.
That's why that's the Pro.
Yeah. All right, let's bring it up.
Look good, people.
Oh yeah, thanks. I just want to take a picture with it on next to my bike.
Okay. Right.
Yeah.
You can go.
Okay. Let me see if I can lift this up. Yeah, it's a little heavy. It's front heavy.
No, it's definitely bulky.
Yeah. Oh, foggy. Oh, let me shut this off. I think you better shut this off.
No, yeah.
How do you shut this off?
Hold the power down.
Oh yeah, oh, this one, right?
Yeah. Alright, you good.
Oh yeah. Forgot this is on. Definitely blows this way. It definitely blows this way.
Oh yeah.
Cool. And let me just get one shot with this. I'll just put it here.